Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Numbuh 1 from Codename Kids Next Door, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle with the nose. And we're going to curve this around, tucking that over and back in. Moving up now, right in the center, we're just going to draw in a curved line arching across for the glasses. We're going to curve this over and out on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's come down, drawing in another small curved line just above the nose. Now from here underneath, we're going to arch this line out, tucking that over and up. And then replicating this on the right, we're going to bring this underneath the nose, curving this around and back through. Now on the edge, we're just going to bring this out slightly on the bottom. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Let's draw the lenses inside the glasses now. So on the top, we're going to follow this line, curving this down towards the center. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then coming underneath, arching this around and through on the side. Let's add in a little highlight here. So we're just going to add in a small little circle. We're going to add another highlight, almost like a little jelly bean shape. So further in towards the top, we're going to curve this out. And then now coming underneath, just rounding that out, curving that over, tucking that around and back in. Now for the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in towards the top of those glasses. And then we're going to round that out, curving that up and over. Let's close off the top of the head with a nice big curved line. And then we'll come underneath, imagining this pulls through and then tucking that around and back up. Let's round out the ear here. So underneath, we're going to curve this over and through towards the glasses. Let's add the details inside the ear. So on the top, we're going to curve that over. And then coming underneath, we're just going to round that out, pulling that in. Now for the mouth. On the left-hand side, we're going to add a corner bracket here. We're going to bring this line up, down, tucking that over towards the right lens. And then we're just going to draw in another corner bracket there. Let's drop down underneath, arching this over and across for the mouth. And then right in the center, drawing in another slight curved line. Now let's come under. We're going to round out the neckline here. So we're going to curve this over and in. And then in the middle of this, stepping out, just two straight lines coming up to close off the neck. Let's curve this line in and down, arching that through. Let's focus on the left arm first. So leaving a small gap here. We're going to start slightly down. We're going to curve this up, down, and across. We're going to curve this line up and over. Let's come underneath here. We're just going to arch this line out. Now let's draw on the thumb. So stepping down on this line on a diagonal, curving this out, tucking that around, pulling that back in. Let's draw on the pointer finger here. So we're going to curve this out, getting wider at the top, and then pulling that back in. Let's draw in an oval for that center finger, curving this around and down. We'll do the exact same thing for the pinky. Let's pull this back in for the bottom of the palm, ending that at the same height. Let's round this out now. So we're going to curve this around and tucking that back in on the top. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in two diagonal lines. Now from that point, stepping up slightly, we can curve this around and back in towards the hand now. Let's come over to the left for the shirt, just curving that out. We're going to end this on the right, curving that back through and up again. Let's draw on our right arm now. So stepping down, leaving a gap, curving this up. We're going to bring this further down towards the bottom this time. And then lining this up at the same height, we're going to bring this back into the side. Let's draw in two diagonal lines here, joining that together. Let's step down, leaving a small gap, curving that out. For the hand, we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out first. For the thumb, curving this in. We're going to continue to bend this out, tugging this around, up and over. For that pointer finger, again, we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that in, up, and connecting that together. Let's draw a finger behind, pointing down, curving this down and in. And then one behind is curving this up, down, and through. Closing off the sleeve, we're going to step in slightly, curving this around and in. Imagining that pulls through underneath here, curving this around and back up. Let's close off the sweater. So coming over, we're going to curve this line up, down, and tucking that back in. Let's draw on the shorts. So from the middle here, drawing 2 diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height, and then stepping out again, replicating that. Let's close this off underneath with a straight line. Let's pull the sweater in behind, curving that down, extending this all the way through to the right. Let's draw on the legs now. So we're going to start on the inside, drawing a diagonal line coming across, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now the feet are going to be quite big here, so we're going to close this off underneath with a curved line. We'll start on the inside, rounding that out, tucking that in. Now coming through on the back, curving that around and down. Let's do that again, curving that in. And then one more time on the bottom. Now let's come up here. So on this point here, we're going to curve this line in. On the top, we're going to come up, curving this out. We'll sort of end that at the same width. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to extend this further out, and this is going to be the entire length of the foot. So again, this is going to be quite wide. We're going to round out that point on the top. Let's connect this together from that line on the top, arching that in. Let's round that out up above. So we're going to curve that out, tucking that down, and then back in. And then coming up behind, curving that over and through, lining that up at the same height. Now for the laces, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come down. Let's continue with the sole of the shoe. So we're going to curve this line in, ending that at the same width. Now from that point in the middle, we're going to curve this over and through to the side. And then we're just going to round that out, curving that around and back in. And that is it. That's how you draw number 1 from Codename Kid Next Door. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.